A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and planning of any area, including Palam Vihar. Palam Vihar, a prominent locality in Gurugram, is known for its well-planned infrastructure and residential projects. With the rapid growth in real estate and urbanization, the need for accurate land surveys has become paramount. Hiring a professional land surveyor in Palam Vihar ensures that all legal requirements are met and that the development is carried out in a systematic manner. Palam Vihar has witnessed significant development over the years, and this has led to an increased demand for land surveyors. These professionals are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land, identifying boundaries, and documenting any encroachments or discrepancies. Their expertise is crucial in determining land ownership, resolving property disputes, and ensuring that construction projects adhere to legal regulations. SCON Design is a renowned firm that specializes in providing comprehensive surveying and design services in Palam Vihar. The expertise of a professional like SCON Design can save you valuable time and resources by identifying any existing issues or potential obstacles early on. By accurately mapping the land and providing detailed reports, they enable you to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. In conclusion, hiring a professional land surveyor in Palam Vihar is crucial for any individual or business involved in real estate or construction projects. The expertise and services offered by firms like SCON Design ensure that all legal requirements are met and that development is carried out smoothly. By accurately measuring and mapping the land, these professionals play a vital role in establishing boundaries, resolving disputes, and ensuring compliance with regulations. So, if you are planning any project in Palam Vihar, make sure to engage the services of a reputable land surveyor to ensure its success. A land surveyor is an essential component of the planning and development of any neighborhood, including Palam Vihar. A well-known neighborhood in Gurugram, Palam Vihar is renowned for its well-designed residential complexes and infrastructure. The need of precise land surveys has increased due to the booming real estate and urbanization industries. Employing an expert land surveyor in Palam Vihar guarantees that all legal criteria are met and that the development is carried out in a methodical manner. Due to the enormous growth that Palam Vihar has experienced over the years, there is now more demand for land surveyors. These experts are tasked with precisely measuring and charting the area, determining boundaries, and recording any encroachments or anomalies. Their knowledge is essential in identifying land ownership, settling property disputes, and making sure that building projects follow the law. Known for offering thorough surveying and design services in Palam Vihar, SCON Design is a reputable business. They provide a wide range of services with their team of qualified experts, including land surveying, topographic mapping, DGP surveying, and construction staking. They are the go-to option for people and companies